issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County, Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Bloomingburg to Bloomington to Middleton Corner, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Savannah, Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, in addition, Middleton Corner, Bloomingburg, Bloomington, Port William, Lumberton, Jasper Mills, Reesville, and Staunton are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 50 and 69. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.